Hello everyone. Today we will highlight the main points on why it is important for organizations to recruit. Our team is Andrea Foster, Angela Olson, and Nettie Webb. We hope you enjoy our presentation and learn more about the importance of recruitment in your organization. For any organization, regardless of the size and field, the ability to recruit a qualified workforce is crucial. The topics we will discuss that are very important in recruiting are cultural fit within the organization, recruiting a diverse workforce, benefits, incentives, attracting the right candidates, and growing the organization. We will go into detail on each topic and why they are important to recruiting. As an organization's workforce typically drives the organization's productivity, the organization's level of performance and competitive advantage is largely dependent on the quality of its workforce. Culture fit is the glue that holds an organization together. That's why it's a key trait to look for when recruiting. First thing a company needs to understand before the hiring process even starts is an in-depth understanding of the organization's culture. This can mean the values and goals, but also it is important for the company to understand vital characteristics that will blend well with the company culture, so the new employees will not just do the job, but thrive. Some important questions to consider while interviewing candidates are asking the type of culture they thrive in, why they want to work for the company, and then explaining what working for the company would be like, painting them a picture of the culture of your organization. If the cultural fit is assessed during the recruitment stage, you will save time and money by ensuring you have hired the right candidates for the job that will help your business thrive. Assessing for cultural fit leads to better productivity, performance, and more positive morale and job satisfaction. Attracting the right kind of candidates is key in recruiting process, and while job skills are necessary, it seems that cultural fit can be more important and a key factor in contribution and work success. Businesses have started to recognize diversity in the workplace as a business strategy that maximizes productivity, creativity, and loyalty of employees while meeting the needs of their clients or customers. A diverse workforce is so important. This will give companies access to a bigger talent pool, open the company to different perspectives, and really bring together each employee's unique talents to help your organization reach success. Your company reputation will be boosted for the open-minded atmosphere the company embraces. There will also be better opportunities to expand globally with the ability to understand language and culture gaps better. This can give your company a competitive edge. Employers of choice provide a comprehensive employee benefits package to attract and retain employees. In addition to a competitive salary, an employee benefits package is a standard and expected part of employee total compensation package. Health insurance is the main benefit for the majority of people that work. If a company could only afford one benefit to give, it should be health insurance. Employees and their families will appreciate it. Most companies won't have a plan without some form of a leave package. This can vary from paid holidays to bereavement or funeral leave. This is one of the biggest desires for an employee, to ensure they get paid when they have to or want to take some time off work. There can be many dental plans to choose from, and sometimes it's included inside an employee's health care plan. However, vision is usually an additional program that employees like to have for recurring eye exams, at least for their kids' benefit. Short-term disability is recommended for an employer to provide. It provides an important protection for employees who cannot work on a short-term basis. On the other hand, long-term disability is an insurance policy that protects an employee from loss of income in the event that he or she is unable to work due to illness, injury, or accident for a long period of time. Did you know that the average employee misses 2.5 years of work due to long-term disability? This can be a significant component of a benefits package. Life insurance is an additional way to attract employees, because some employees can't afford life insurance on their own. Most companies will provide health insurance, along with a 401k, to attract those talents needed to make their company successful. Flexible spending accounts allow the employees to put money away when they need it to cover additional high costs to their health care. As you can see, companies that emphasize better employee benefits packages and use this to attract and retain high-caliber staff, and it adds 7.3% in additional profit to their bottom line. Recruitment, relocation, and retention, 3 R's. Incentives are used to strategically address human capital needs and build and maintain a high-performing workforce with essential skills and competencies. The use of the 3 R's incentives should be limited to recruiting and retaining highly qualified candidates who would otherwise seek employment outside of their current organization. Some of the benefits to offering these could be any of the following. First, it could be a way to match an applicant's salary requirements while not keeping the full amount in the organization's annual budget. Second, it could enhance the offer for the applicant that is undecided on the offer given. Third, recruitment incentive could assist the applicant in a relocation move if that organization can't afford to give both recruitment and relocation. Fourth and final is offering any one of the 3 R's gives the organization a more competitive edge over other employers. Some organizations will offer student loan reimbursement for certain career fields when there's a high demand and it's a hard position to fill without incentives. Prime example might be doctors in certain locations. Some additional incentives could be telework and alternate work schedules. I know I recently accepted a job because they offered teleworking until my child graduates from high school in the next few months. Alternate work schedule could be an attractive tool for applicants with kids or parents they take care of. It allows them the flexibility to achieve the work-life balance component they are looking for. Organizations can use these types of incentives during recruitment to attract the highly qualified applicants and have the ability to retain them. Attracting the right candidates is crucial for an organization. By obtaining the right candidate the first time, organizations are able to save money on training. Having the right skill sets can eliminate the need for some training. Hiring the right candidate can also reduce employee turnover. By obtaining and retaining the correct candidates, the organization will enjoy higher employee morale. The boosted morale ensures that the employees are more healthy and productive, leading the organization to stand out against its competition. Growth is important to an organization. A sound recruitment process can help to grow the organization by filling vacancies quickly and efficiently. Stagnation within an organization means that the competition is able to overcome them. This can mean the death of an organization. Growth ensures that more skills are being added to the team to boost innovation and productivity. These boosts will ensure profit gains and keep the organization ahead of peers in the industry. As you can see, there are many important reasons why organizations should recruit. The benefits of recruiting are plentiful, and a good process can enhance the organization's successes. Properly utilizing a sound recruitment process allows the organizations to have a well-rounded team of employees who are highly motivated with good morale to propel the organization into the future. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoyed it.